This is the office for the new times after the pandemic. I'm really excited to see people actually come to the office and use it and see the space that we have created in like everyday work. I'm proud that we were able to actually reuse and recycle a lot of furniture and materials from our old office. We call it the office for the new times. There's a lot of shared space where you can hold meetings of any kind. You can do creative work, you can work as a team, or you can just individually work at a desk. We are hoping that people used to remote office will consider coming back to the office for a couple of days, a week even. And we are hoping to get this great vibe again, which is the leading force for the great projects that we are working on. What I'm also proud of in this office is that a lot of wall design was actually made in-house. So we're working very closely with Bartek Fołtyn, our art director. We were able to come up with some great ideas, like for example, the mural on the entrance wall. So it was all originally created for GetResponse and Click Meeting by a local graffiti artist, Crick. My favorite part is the entrance area. So the space-time area, it has a vibe of a coffee shop. So a great part of this office space is networking areas. It's creative zones. It's what we call space-time. So a place where you can spend time with each other, where you can socialize, where you can discuss business projects as well, right? It's not really a desk and chair dedicated surrounding. We want this space to be welcoming, to actually encourage people to come here and get to know each other and work together, because we know that working together brings great effects.